Okay, so this next chapter focuses more specifically with the angles of triangles and angles of parallel lines and transversals that we'll talk about later. But these first three lessons are focusing on theorems we learn when it deals with the angles of triangles. The first one is pretty easy, it's pretty simple, is the triangle sum theorem. So this states that the triangle itself, so if you think about how many angles a triangle has, which has 3, any triangle, no matter, really, it doesn't matter if they're isosceles, right triangles, acute, or anything like that. All 3 angles, the rule states, the theorem states that they equal 180, okay? So this says that angle A plus angle B plus angle C, whatever those 3 angles are, they equal 180. So what we're focusing on today is, can we find the missing angle? So number 1 gives us 2 angles in the picture. They give us 77 and 54, and they want us to find the missing angle Y. Well, so if I know that the total is 180, if I add 77 plus 54, we get 131. So I know x plus y plus z equals 180. And I know x is 77. I don't know what y is, and z is 54. Okay, so if I do 77 plus 54, y plus 131 equals 180. To find the missing angle, we're going to subtract to find the missing, how much more it takes to add to get 180. Or if you can figure out what plus 131 equals 180. But simply just subtract 180 minus 131. So my missing angle y is 49 degrees. So taking that into consideration, we're just going to fly by these real quick. So number 2, I know these 2 angles are 115 and 226. I know total it should equal 180. So if I take 115 plus 26 and I subtract 180 minus 141, their sum, the missing angle equals 39. And if I want to check my answer, then I can add those 3 angles. 115 plus 26 plus 39 needs to equal 180. So that's how I know I'm correct. So let's just keep going. Number 3, we know the 2 angles are 70 and 65. So 70 plus 65 equals 135. So if I know total, it should equal 180. 180 minus 135 equals 45. So the missing angle T is 45 degrees. And it is really just this simple. And it gets a little tougher when you get to geometry in 10th grade, but this is more so for just 8th grade. So if I look at number 4, the 3 angles should equal 180. So 104 plus 26 is 130. If I do 180 minus 130, that equals 50. So the missing angle J is 50 degrees. The toughest question that you'll probably get today, and it's really not that tough, is in this picture, number 5, it looks like they only gave me 1 angle. But if you look carefully, we have to know what this square in the corner means. Remember that we've talked about right triangles before. The square equals 90 degrees. So even though at first it looks like there's only 1 angle, there's actually 2. So 90 plus 25 equals 115. 180 minus 115 equals 65. So the missing angle C is 65 degrees. So just be careful with any that involve a right angle. Number 6, my 2 angles are 60 and 70. When I add those 2, I get 130. And so like the other one, we're going to do 180 minus 130, which is 50 degrees. So just remember, when I am looking for the missing angle inside of a triangle and they give me 2 other angles, just know that their total equals 180. So that means to find the missing angle, we subtract their sum from 180 to find the missing angle.